Hey, what's up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the Soundcore A1 wireless earbuds by Anker. You can pick these up on Amazon or directly from Soundcore. I'll put links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon links are affiliate links. If you use the links and make a purchase, I receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So in this video, I'll unbox the earbuds, check out its features and specs, and I'll let you know what I think of them. Now looking at the front of the box, you've got a picture of the earbuds, some Soundcore Anker branding up top with the model. On the back, you've got some features and specs. Now let's take a look at some of the specs real quick. So these earbuds have 8mm drivers with 9 hours of playtime on the earbuds themselves. With the charging case, you get a total of 35 hours of playtime. They're IPX7 water resistant, and it supports single earbud audio in case you're in a situation where you want to hear your surroundings. You don't have to have both in ear. As for gaming, unfortunately there's no low latency mode. Now for casual gaming, these should be fine. My personal opinion, if you're into competitive gaming, you'll want a high quality wired headset. Alright, so let's open the box. Inside the box, you've got your user manual, warranty card, charging cable, the earbuds, and extra wing and ear tips. The case is made out of a hard plastic and is matte black. Durability wise, let's just say if these get dropped on concrete, I'm pretty certain these will crack and break. But if you're careful, they should be alright. I do like how the bottom is flat though. You'll be able to set them up on the table with the lid open and the case not tip. On the top, you've got some Soundcore branding. On the front, you've got LED indicator lights. And on the back, you've got your USB-C port for charging. Now for the size of the case, it's much bigger than the Apple AirPod case. I probably wouldn't want to carry these in my pocket unless you're rocking some loose-fitted jeans or cargo shorts. Anything less like skinny jeans or slims is a no-go for me. Now the earbuds I think look good. I like this style better than the ones with a long stem like the Apple AirPods. I just think they have a cleaner look. You've got the Soundcore logo here in the front. That's also a button I may add. On the inside you've got your charging pins. Now these have rubber ear tips along with rubber wing tips, creating a nice and snug fit and making them perfect for working out. You also don't need to worry about sweat as these are IPX7 water resistant. Soundcore also provides additional ear and wing tips of different sizes in case the ones installed from the factory are not to your liking. Let's connect this to my phone and try them out. These use Bluetooth 5.0. Now go into your phone's settings and make sure Bluetooth is on. Have the case near you and take out one of the earbuds. The LED light is supposed to start blinking fast. Once that starts, it'll be in pairing mode and your phone should see it. Once the phone sees it, hit connect and you're set. Now anytime you want to use them, all you need to do is take them out, put them in your ear, and it will automatically pair to your phone. You'll hear a paired and battery life notification, and you're good to go. As far as distance, I'm able to have my phone upstairs in my office and still be connected at the end of my driveway. The office is on the back side of my house, so it's a fairly good distance. Now let's test out the controls. We'll start with the right earbud. Tap once to increase volume, and tap twice to pause or start music. Press and hold for 1 second to bring up Siri on iPhone and Alexa on Android. Cool, so all that works. Now for the left earbud. Tap once to decrease volume, and tap twice to skip forward a track. And if you press and hold for 1 second, the earbud will also bring up Alexa or Siri. Now if you tap either earbud 3 times, it will cycle through the preset EQ settings. The 3 EQ settings are signature mode, where everything is balanced and is perfect for everyday listening. Podcast mode, where voice stands out and sound is much clearer for when you're listening to your podcast or audiobooks. And last but not least, bass boost mode, for when you want to get hyped up, like if you're working out. Yeah, bass boost mode is the mode to be in. And now for battery life, I think these have great battery life. You get 9 hours on the earbuds and an additional 26 hours with the case, giving you a total of 35 hours of listening time. The case is charged via USB-C and is wireless and fast charging capable, which is cool because normally at this price point you don't get that wireless charging case. Now with how good these earbuds are, they are not perfect. The case has me questioning its durability, and when using the earbuds, the LED light flashes on and off, which annoys me. Now I wish there was a way to turn off the LEDs, but unfortunately there's not. Another annoying thing is when switching EQ modes. I wish it said which mode you were in. You have to let what you're listening to play out and figure out what mode you're in. I mean, it's easy to tell the difference, but it would be nice if it just said what mode. Like when you first wear the earbuds, it'll verbally tell you what battery level and that the power is on. Also, when using the ear controls, you can't go back a song, which I don't understand because you can skip forward. That's just goofy to me. But to tell you the truth, I never use the on-ear controls. It's faster and easier to just control everything with my phone. Now with all that said, for under $50, sometimes even $40, you can't go wrong with these earbuds. They're not in the price range where you'll cry if you lose them or break them. They work well, fit great, and sound awesome. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.